Pump it up. That's what I'm talking about. That's the breakout. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Just got home. Drew that silver block, predicting a breakout. Up significantly from our green blocks as well over here on the left side. Rockets, rockets, rockets. Look at that. We're already up almost 2% from that green block on Doge. And we just started a big liquidation. I just entered a long right there and let you know we're going to break out. We fucking destroyed those shorts right there. Perfect timing. You can either be the person that predicts the candles or the person that makes the candles. You get to choose. Oh man, Bitcoin conference was very bullish long term for Bitcoin and crypto. If we get a big drop down in the next few months, that would be good for the people that missed out. No matter where you think Bitcoin's going to go, you can hedge your bet with the Dogecoin position. So looking at this breakout, we do have more liquidations above us. Let me ping real quick. Looking at these liquidations above us, we have room to go above 14 cents again on Doge. This is just the 5-minute showing about 13.6. You go out to the 4-hour, liquidations are a lot higher. So we are hitting this breakout area. Price is going up. Bitcoin just started breaking back above $69,000 over there as well. So watching the price go up from there, it's pretty cool. Anybody in here go to the Bitcoin conference and listen to Donald Trump speak about crypto a little bit? Or Robert F. Kennedy or Vivek? A lot of those people talked about the government buying Bitcoin for a reserve. I don't understand the math of how the government could acquire 4 million Bitcoin. It seems very expensive for the government to acquire 4 million Bitcoin if they're buying 500 per day. Let's do the math. That's like 8,000 days. That's that's about 22 years worth of buying. Pretty crazy if they're going to buy Bitcoin for 21 years straight. I don't think that's the case. This is a pretty big breakout though. That's a big push right there for Doge. You guys got that notification. I pinged the Discord. I'll put it in YouTube chat. You guys saw it on the chart. What's up, Imad? How are you? Let me see something real quick. My maybe the Discord. My headset's not working. Let me test my headset. Nope, my headset works there. Let me double check here. Media. Let me double check here as well. All right, try now. Let's see if I can hear you now. Okay, I hear somebody. It works.
Mic check, triple bit.
I hear you, triple bit.
Hey, what's up, everybody?
Maybe I did have the audio wrong for the Discord the whole time I was at a Bitcoin conference.
I thought something was up. I kept doing a mic check and it was like crickets.
Yeah, I had the wrong thing set on the output, apparently. Let me double check this output.
Was that Beast?
Oh, yeah, I had the wrong output. That's why. Okay. But everybody can hear now. The Bitcoin conference was great. So many people there.
Yeah, Trump said Bitcoin to the moon.
Boy, he laid it on thick. He put that on there. He's a showman.
I like that.
And I missed it. What's been going on? What's this tamed home thing?
I just got home.
The Bitcoin conference just happened.
What's up, Imad? How are you?
I'm all right.
Yeah, I just got home not that long ago when I drew this breakout bots for Doge around 13.1, and then we started pushing up over 1% already so far. So
yeah, as soon as
it's around this candle 22.10 and about right here. That's when I got home. So after I got home, sat down, started entering my positions and stuff.
I got right in as soon as you drew it.
So I heard in Nashville during the conference that the app Grinder was crashing because there was too many users.
Really?
Yeah, like the app, the Grinder app was crashing. Was it working for you?
I didn't use it. I was just too busy meeting real people. I went to the all-you-can-eat meat contest, and people had like 2 hours eating ribeye steaks.
Wow.
I didn't pay to eat ribeye steak like the contest all you can eat. I just paid for the buffet. I didn't want to be in a contest. And all the people that did the contest, they looked like they were about to die when they got done eating.
Man, I got second place in the contest one time, and I wanted to die. But the guy that got first place, he puked, so I felt good about that.
Well, you could always have went to the bathroom and hurled.
Man, he didn't make it to the bathroom.
Man, we are pumping. We are pumping. This is great. I told you guys, I even put in announcements that they, even before we went to the Bitcoin conference, they might announce a reserve for Bitcoin. That this Bitcoin conference will be different than all the others. All the others, Bitcoin price dumped. This time we're up. Price is still up from before the conference.
Yeah, it came down to 67 during it. Got flashed quick.
Hey, like I always ask, what do we got for liquidations on higher time frames?
Yeah, I'll zoom out in the 4 hour real quick and talk about that.
Yeah, let's see what we got to reach up for. 15 area, what are we looking at?
Can do stories about the conference another time.
What's happening, Joe? How you doing?
So I mentioned earlier in the beginning of the stream, we have liquidations above 14 for Doge. It's about 14.52 for top of liquidations. We have liquidations above 71,000 for Bitcoin now. Zoom in.
But again, as things rise, I bet we're going to start accumulating some more up there higher as we start kind of keep climbing. More stuff's going to stack in, people shorting against it. So
we also have Ethereum top of liquidations above 36.55. And then if you look at Matic is one I've been doing on the wheats recently. Liquidations above 57 cents. My logic with Matic is that it's a pretty good layer 2. And the way they have the Ethereum ETFs, I think some of that money will flow into Matic because
And Matic is horribly depressed right now, so you couldn't get a better buy-in.
and I saw how Mark Zuckerberg and other companies like Disney pumped Matic before, and it did not take much for Matic to get pumped from those companies. And it's a pretty fast crypto. It has a lot of USDC already bridged onto the Matic network as well. At the Bitcoin conference, a lot of projects are layer 2 projects. I'll share some of that stuff with you guys as well tomorrow when I'm on the daytime tomorrow and look over some of the projects that I learned about at the conference. I need to vet some of them first, do a little bit of deep dive before I start to share them with you guys. Just to be a little bit more responsible.
Did you see any people from the WeX exchange?
No, I'm going to go with them at the token 2049 in Canada on next month in August. And then again in Singapore in September. We have that scheduled August and September.
Did you run into D-Block while you were there?
Nope, I don't think so. But I did run into that Ron, the guy, the founder of Gummy, and let him know what I thought about his charts and stuff. And he was like, "Oh, that's okay, that's okay." He's like, "That's okay, that's okay." Then he walked away.
Did you tell him that you're Tame the Troll?
No, I didn't tell him who I was. I was just mentioning that I see his charts and they look like rug pulls, and he needs to calm down on that type of content.
He's like, calm down. That's the point.
Well, fuck yeah, Tim. I'm glad you actually came up to him and said it to his face. It's awesome.
I don't know. Someone told me that he's bigger than me. They lied to me. They lied.
That dude's a shrimp.
This 6-year-old almost bigger than him.
Did you get somebody to film it though? That's the question. Did someone film it?
And then I made a joke with one of the guys with him.
Who was the special guest?
Jordy.
The one that Trump was bringing out?
I don't even know who she is, honestly.
What the fuck's that?
I don't even know. Like, the special guest, we all thought it was going to be Elon because his plane went to New York and we thought they was going to go to Nashville to Trump. But he didn't go with Trump to Nashville. There's a little bit of conflict there, I believe. Someone says, Sam, could you update on those short-term target? Short-term is going to be 0.15. Medium is 0.2145. Long-term, 0.36 and above. But the conference had so many people. Most of the money that the conference is raising are really from Chinese people that are showing off their mining equipment or the equipment they're using to cool down miners. Like they'll have these containers that you can put 16 miners and some up to 32 miners in there and oil cool them. And they're making money that way. Some of the containers are like $40,000. And then you just put your own miners in there and plug in everything and use it for liquid cooling. It takes a lot of electricity, though.
How would the Democrats even top what Trump said at that conference? I haven't heard anything from them.
But we're pumping because, let me tell you why we're pumping. Here's what Elon Musk said earlier. I'm not going to be promoting crypto, at most in a joking way. If you see me pumping crypto, it's not me. I do think there's merit in Bitcoin and maybe some other cryptos, and I've sort of got a soft spot for Dogecoin because I like dogs and memes. That's what Elon said earlier today.
That's his reason. That's ridiculous.
I'll play the audio.
I see half the time.
Yeah, that's certainty. Markets don't like uncertainty.
Or
That
I've
is
seen interviews
certainty.
of us, and you're randomly.
But yeah, I don't know. On the X platform, there's pretty quickly things get community noted, or there's in the replies.
Someone have an open mic?
No. Somebody was listening to Elon Musk.
My bad. I just wanted to say 69,420, but I didn't have an open mic. But 69,420, here we are, bitches.
Yeah, so Elon was on the live event and then said that stuff about Doge.
This is not
Right after I draw this silver block, that's when he said it.
not real. So I think, I don't know, we can work to try to have community notes.
But yeah, Elon still likes Dogecoin. I saw Donald Trump's son, Don Jr., out on the street with Tucker Carlson. Man, Don Jr., I looked on the page. He was charging like $4,000 for photo shoots with him and Tucker.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Getting that money.
It's pretty crazy. Man.
So how's your mindset changed? What do you mean?
Well, when I do like meetups and stuff, I'm not charging people for. Even if I became like super popular, charging people $4,000 for a picture is kind of crazy.
Were people paying it?
Yeah, it's like an event you specifically sign up for, and you go to the hotel and you take pictures.
We're awfully close to 70K.
I only went because someone invited me that I had already paid. But yeah, people were going there paying. They paid $4,000 for a picture and just like a small conversation.
That's crazy.
I wanted to open a short at 70K, but after what Trump said, no.
Well, you'd be a bold man trying to short Bitcoin right now. You had 2 months to do that.
Well, no, I wanted to short at 70K before the speech and all of that talk. Now, no, I'm not.
Yeah, we got some irrationally bullish price action establishing, and it's like tends to kind of have a snowball effect upward in these.
I hope this is it.
Yeah. If it is, it'll play out that way. If it's not, it won't.
Yeah, it needs to play into the breakout, into the FOMO, and keep ripping from there.
Yeah, this is Bitcoin bull run price action, like textbook. I love it. Just like paints out beautiful patterns. Like the most like textbook accurate patterns. Bitcoin's got the juice right now, baby.
What is the fear and greed index looking like?
Man, it's been getting lower and lower every day. It's like in the low 60s.
It's still there. I figured it'd be at 70 by now.
No, it was at 70 a week ago. It was at like high 70s. It's been like cool since we're cooling off. It's been I don't know what it is right this moment. I haven't checked it today, probably.
What was the all-time high again? 70 something? This is going to be good when we get to 70 here. Got to be going to 70.
Yeah, Fear and Greed's up at 74 today, so it's ready to inch up.
Oh, it's a wrap. That was over quick.
Yeah, but there's plenty of room to go. It can melt faces when it wants to.
All right. So what? There's the Bitcoin halving, and then there's like what a certain time period after that before we get after the halving. There was how long is it? We got to wait after that for the big rip.
Like the halving happens, and then there's like 6 months of like the market just doing whatever it's going to do, and then the next 6 months after that. So 6 months after the halving is like kind of up in the air, and then after that, that's when the following 6 months, Bitcoin's like, all right, which way am I
How long-
going?
How long has it been?
Yeah, we're in that range there. You know,
Oh,
I'm
we're in the
expecting
60s.
I'm,
All right.
I'm expecting Bitcoin to do something in the next 3 months where it makes everyone like turn their head. Like
Oh, man,
like
please.
like cruising into the 80s and then maybe even touching the 90s, and make everybody go, damn, I should have bought Bitcoin.
Oh, man. Got my shit ready. I got my Doge. Got my game coin. I'm ready.
Got me some big time for 9 cents.
Oh, that's a good buy.
Yeah, I'm making my buys that I want to try to hold for some of them for a year. But we'll see when they're ready to sell. I'm selling them.
Get ready. It's going to go quick. We're going to go like up like crazy. Then it's going to be a pullback. And then it's going to go up like crazy again. And then we're going to sell. I'm talking God candle shit.
We're going into a new week, so last week was garbage. So this week is like good chance of it going better, like the opposite, either good or really good.
Man, my average is at 10.6 on big time.
That was a pretty good pump, though.